Hello, you're through to Zachary Toys and Fun again. Zachary's not here today because he's got chickenpox, so that's a shame. But this gives me the opportunity to go and show you my new purchase today, which is this Echo Spot. So before I purchased this, I used to have one of these in the bedroom, the normal Echo Dot, and I wanted something a bit more power with the speakers. And I was contemplating this one or the Show. The Show's quite big, so I thought to myself, this is quite small. You can see about the size of just an alarm clock really. And I thought, I don't really know what the sound is like on this, because I'm used to sort of Bose speakers, nice pumping music, and I was thinking, I just don't see this one really producing a lot of decent sound. So search on YouTube like everyone does, and I was struggling, absolutely struggling to hear any kind of reviews on the sound of this thing. And like I said, before I even start anything, I'd recommend this to quite a few, or anyone. I'm gonna speak to people and just say, look, if you want something for your bedroom, this is the one. So let's play something a bit more kind of bassier, something maybe by Drake. I would say One Dance. So let's try that on both of these. So Alexa, play Drake One Dance. This is full volume as well.
One Dance by Drake.
That's not too bad. So if you know the song, you'll notice this is totally different on here. So Alexa, play Drake One Dance.
One Dance by Drake.
Totally different. Let's go for Alexa. Play Flowers by Sweet Female Attitude.
Flowers, Sunship Radio Edit by Sweet Female Attitude.
Play Flowers by Sweet Female Attitude.
Flowers, Sunship Radio Edit by Sweet Female Attitude.
Alexa, play Ed Sheeran Perfect.
Perfect by Ed Sheeran.
I found the love for me, darling, just dive right in.
So you're seeing straight away, this is more than capable of being in your bedroom or in a small kind of living room, office, just most rooms. I hope you like this video. I hope it gives you what you need with the sound quality tests, and please give me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Bye bye.
Yeah.